Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse audios on CapCut PC. So select your audio, and as you can see here in voice changer or in basic or even on speed, there is not an option that you can reverse it. It's not an option here either, so you're actually just going to grab a photo or something. I'm just going to grab this photo and I'm just going to select both of them, right click, create compound clip. Has nothing to do with the photo at all, but just use any photo. And you're just going to hit the reverse button. If you layer a video on top, or if you want to just export it as an audio file, because if I did undo the extraction, it won't be on reverse like the audio. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.